Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to join the Discord server for Kick a Lucky Block in Roblox in a quick and easy way. First, open Roblox and search for the game Kick a Lucky Block. Then join the game or visit its main page. Once you are on the game page, scroll down and look for the description section. Most developers place their official Discord link there, usually labeled as Discord server or community. Click on the invite link and it will redirect you to Discord either on your browser or app. If you have Discord installed, it will open automatically and show the server invite screen. Now tap Join Server and complete any required steps like verifying rules or accepting guidelines. Some servers may ask you to react to a message before giving full access. After that, you will be inside the Kick a Lucky Block community where you can get updates, events, and game announcements. Make sure to follow all server rules to stay active without issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.